Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start inside Settings, go straight to Accessibility and look for Narrator or Text-to-Speech. Flip that toggle to Off now. This is the single control that mutes the in-game spoken narrator. Once done, back out of Settings and resume your world so Minecraft applies the change. Make sure you change it while signed into the same profile that hears the narrator, because accessibility settings are profile-specific. This avoids toggling the wrong account and saves time. After turning the narrator off, confirm the toggle shows off and then fully close the Minecraft app. Don't just return to the home screen. Restarting forces the internal accessibility state to reload, which is often necessary on Bedrock. Reopen the game, enter the same world, and listen. No spoken lines should appear. If you still hear speech, go back to accessibility to recheck the toggle. Sometimes the UI looks changed, but the value didn't save until after a restart. If the narrator persists, check your device's system screen reader. Windows Narrator, Win plus Control plus Enter, iOS VoiceOver, or Android TalkBack can read in-game text even with Minecraft's narrator off. Disable those first and retest. If internal settings refuse to save, reset Minecraft options or delete the local options file and then reopen the game. Make sure you've backed up worlds. As a final step, uninstall and reinstall Minecraft. That clears corrupted accessibility data and fixes stubborn narrator issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.